Okay, so just arrived at Edale station, just got off. And I'm probably about what would be classified as a 10-minute walk, 15-minute walk from Oldbrook Farm, where the annual bushcraft conference will be held. Alright, here's the church. Village is up ahead, but I need to turn where this Audi is parked and follow that pathway to Oldbrook Farm. Don't make shortcuts, they say. Well, I'd rather take the shortcut than go through that fence with this backpack. You're on the wrong side of the fence. You are. Where those trees are, in the middle of the screen, that's the field. Hello.
That's our recycle bin.
Are you alright with the hard work?
Alright, now wave. Alright, my tent is set up. Dogs everywhere around here. Everybody's got an opinion around here.
He'll either get his dog bone and bark and growl, won't he? Sometimes he just goes, at Dad.
What's he drinking? There's a vodka in that.
Extreme strength vodka.
She'll let you do that all the day.
Okay, you may recognise this tent. It belongs to a Spartan by the name of Scott. And we've had some issues. This split, but it's been held in place. This detachment down the bottom is missing, so we pegged it out. And he's getting a new one, so this one's going to be retired after this event. But it works, it does the job.
Sorry.
Day 1, Thursday. Someone's phone just pinged. I've got no reception at all. Nothing. Apparently people at Virgin have got full reception.
Who's a virgin?
People with Virgin reception.
Oh, right.
I'm verging on ridiculous now.
Sweet talker man, don't you? Oh, I'll give you a piece of advice, Chris.
What's that?
Oh, you're filming. If he's standing there and you think he's taking a picture, he's not. He's filming. We stood there like a bunch of lemons last year, thinking he was taking a photo, and he was filming us.
Well, he got you right there, haven't you?
The thing is, Paul, I'm going to actually link that video to you, so if you can splice that out of that video and insert it here, that would be really good.
Remember last year, Vic? Well, we stood there like this, thinking he's taking a photo.
Yeah.
And I stood there and so like,
Stood there looking at it.
so I'm videoing, you know. Oh, yeah, bastard.
I brought
I told you where the first aid kit was. If you
that side there. I brought a big thing of baby wipes. Right?
Yeah. Well, I always bring them. They're handy for stuff, mate.
Everybody's slowly starting to cook their dinner. It is almost 6 o'clock. And the smell of food around here is getting stronger. So what have we got for dinner tonight?
Right, you've got chicken. We've got ribeye steak. We've got the pork that you kindly provided. We've got maple barbecue pork loins. We've got chili sausages, and if we need them, we've got some burgers as well.
So
and
we're
and if you want the veggie bit, you've got a bit of salad. As well.
so basically we're roughing it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a hard life. Yeah.
Oh, looking, he comes down.
Good evening, Andrew.
Look, if you can smell something nice, it's coming from over there.
It's not what we're doing, Andy. You're all right, mate.
All right, mate.
Hey mate.
How are you, buddy?
Not bad.
Good to see you.
What the hell have you got on your back, Scout Carry? Oh, right, okay.
Okay. Quick question on the spot. What's the EDC right now? EDC, everyday carry.
3 inch? I don't know.
Not when you're here, love.
A bit small.
Oh, you ah!
Right, have a look. Anyway, this is when a copper sees that on the side of your thing, he goes, I'm going to get him, because he's got one of them locking blades on there, isn't he?
Taking it off, huh?
No, Dremelled it out.
Ah, clever man.
What about the other blade? He's done it, and the saw, and the little
You
blade.
caught me out now. I've got a Bart River on my side, but I've got a Scots knife in my bag in there.
And then there's EDC.
Hang on, there's something missing, mate. You really need to get one of those West keys. I know the bloke that
I
used
gave
to
it
see.
away somewhere. Who was it? I can't remember who it was.
It wasn't me.
I
No,
can't
some-
tell you how many times I've used that.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. How many times
See
I've
that
used
thing
it.
there? That West key? This gentleman made that. And there's probably about 100 of those out in the world now.
I've lost count how many times I've
I
used it.
find a guy called Phil Hall. That's his. He commissioned this. I can't find it.
No, because he
Is he all right?
you didn't send me your PayPal. I've just been speaking to him. Yeah, you didn't send him your PayPal. That's why he was waiting for you to send him PayPal so he could pay you.
Well, I've been trying to Instagram, Facebook. If he's here.
Now you're going to tell me you want a knife as well, aren't you?
No, I've got Bessie here. Bessie will take care of him.
Oh, I'm getting one of them. Scott has got one of those for me.
Well, I got it off him last year, and it was all black.
Yeah.
And what I did, I tried to just do this clean and leave that black, but I knocked some of it off, didn't I? So I did the rest, and I'm happy with it though.
You didn't get it off Scott, did you? You got it off Andy, didn't you?
Sorry, Andy. Yeah. It's well worth it.
Everyone's settling in nicely. So what are you boys going on about?
We're just going on about the pizza. We're just sending a picture to a missing friend. That is all.
This is what you're missing out on.
Wish you were here.
You want us to save you a slice?
The jiffy bag.
Of that one.
And it's just come out. That's a cracking oven.
Yes.
Come alive, didn't it?
Yeah. I'll take it down.
Well, it's that, you could dump everything you needed for a walk for a day, couldn't you?
Yep.
I've never seen one like that.
Well, it was Lenny who was selling it, so I asked him how much. He goes, "Oh, how much are you willing to pay for it?" And I had no idea how much it was worth. So I said, "Well, how about 20 quid and a knife?"
It's uncomfortable.
And he actually bettered it. He said, "How about 15 quid and a knife?"
Was he selling out of his green tent?
Okay, I haven't done much filming because I've been too busy catching up with everyone, and I'm not even sure if you can see. Well, I'm getting some clean, dry socks on for my sleep. You keep your feet warm, and the rest of you will be warm. But I made a purchase today, which is, I'm not sure if you can see it, that pouch right there. Yeah, you can't see it, but basically this pouch is a big military style pouch, and it's originally designed for a respirator, like gas mask. And when the guys were selling it, and it's brand new, it is literally brand spanking new, never been used, and I didn't know what it was worth. He said, "What's it worth to you?" I said, "I don't know what it's cost." But I had the 2 knives that I was trying to get rid of, so I said, "How about £20 and a knife of your choice?" And he looked at knives and he goes, "How about £15 and a knife of my choice?" So he knocked the £5 off the price for me, and that was Big Lenny. So I've got that nice pouch. I'll show you tomorrow in daylight, but it is currently 11:30. I am knackered. Everything is dying down. There's still people out and about, as you can probably hear in the background, and I reckon I'm going to sleep well tonight. I've got a single little LED light. I'll get my candle torch out and I'll light that up and see how much difference there'll be. Hold on a second. That's one of the reasons why I use a torch. Say hello to my viewers.
Hello.
It's nice, but it's darker. You can't see anything. Anyway, I wanted to get that out earlier, I just couldn't be bothered. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed, guys. I'm gonna blow that out and I'm gonna go to bed. And I'll see you in the morning. Alright, Thursday night, signing off. Good night.